Okay, this video is going to show you how you can measure your own head for me to make you a custom fitted hat. You're going to need a Curvex ruler. You can get these at any wood supply store. Unfortunately, there's no other way to correctly measure your head, so maybe you could know somebody that does woodworking. You could possibly borrow one, whatever. They cost about somewhere between $15 to $20, and Amazon does have them available. So what you need to do is you need to take the ruler and overlap the ends. So we have a circle similar to that. Now we're going to put it on our own heads, and we're going to pull this as tightly as we can. And if you can see the sides, how I have it overlapped, one on top of the other on both sides. Now I'm going to play with it a little bit, pull it tight, get it to where it feels comfortable on your head, where you would normally want to wear your hat. I pulled my glasses down here a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now once you get it comfortable and you push it in by the temples so that you get an exact drawing of the shape of your head, then very carefully, holding these ends together very tightly, take it off very gently, easily. Try not to change its shape or anything. We're going to move it down and place it on a piece of paper. Just like that. Try not to move anything. Hold it in place and take a pencil and trace all the way around this. Just like that. And we have the drawing of your head. Now, I'd like you to do this 3 times. I'd like you to take this again, put it back on your head, and do it again. Get it where it's comfortable, get it tight, hold it, take it off your head very easily without trying to change the shape or anything. And we're going to set it on our original. And we're going to make sure it's about the same. Now, in this particular case, it is. I'm right where I was before. Exactly. And I'll do it a 3rd time. Put it on one more time. And again, we're just checking our very first measurement to make sure it is correct. Take it off. Place it on my original drawing. And I'm right there again. Right on. So I know I did it correctly the first time. And that's it. You do not have to do any other measurements. I will measure it from this point. Because what I'll do, here's one that I've already done with someone else's. Actually, this is my girlfriend's head. I measure the width, I measure the length, and I get an average, which gives me your hat size. And then I add a 1/4 inch to the hat for shrinkage of the wood. I add a 1/4 inch of the hat because at the band I'm an 1/8 inch thick on each side to allow for another. I allow for another 1/4 inch, and then I usually add a 1/16 of an inch just to give it enough room so it fits your head comfortably. From here, I will cut this out after I get the size that I'm going to turn your hat. I will cut this out and I will transfer this onto a piece of wood. I'll cut the piece of wood out. I'll bevel the edges of the wood. Then this way I have an actual template of your head that as I'm bending the hat after I've turned it, I can press it down into the hat and bend that hat to the shape of your head. So if you did the measurements correctly, and if I turned it correctly, the hat should fit you pretty comfortably. Okay, that's it.